Kids Leap Island, unlocking every child's potential. Stay connected for your transformational children's stories and fun learning videos.
Hello guys, in this video we will identify all the equipment you can possibly find in a modern kitchen. I will make a sentence with each of the items to help you understand. Dining room. The dining area is where we eat our meals. Cabinet. One of our kitchen cabinets store pans and pots. Egg beater. I use my egg beater to beat the eggs. Juice maker. The juice maker helps me extract the juice from fruits. Dish drainer. Leave the dishes to drain on the dish drainer. Dish. We have different dishes for serving meals. Casserole dish. We use casserole dish to cook or serve food. Crepe pan. I use my crepe pan to make crepes for breakfast. Deep fryer. We use the deep fryer to fry chicken. Cutting board. He is cutting the celery stalks on the cutting board. Crockery. My mum has a beautiful collection of crockery in store. Cutlery. We use my cutlery for cutting chicken and eating rice. Desert spoon. He served the cake without a desert knife or spoon. Cake pan. My mother bakes with her cake pan. Dishwasher. The dishwasher is filled with unwashed dishes. Canister. The coffee beans, seed and plantain chips are stored in the canister. Carafe. She brought some fruit juice in a carafe. Freezer. We store cooked food in the freezer to preserve it. Electric mixer. The electric mixer mixes the ingredients fast. Colander. I use the colander to drain water off the vegetables. Foil. I covered the food with foil before storing it away. Carving knife. The chef used his carving knife to slice the toast. Can opener. I use this equipment to open canned tuna and baked beans. Butter knife. I need a butter knife to spread some butter on my toast. Apron. I wear my apron before cooking to protect my clothes. Frying pan. She heated some oil in the frying pan. Baking paper. It is better to line baking tray with a sheet of baking paper. Barbecue grill. I like to grill my chicken to get that delicious taste. Bin. You need a good bin to keep a clean kitchen. Blender. Blender is good for making smoothie from fruits and puree from foods. Bowl. I need a bowl for my soup. Chopsticks. Hold your chopsticks in your dominant hand to pick food from your plate. Dish washing liquid. The washing liquid is good for getting rid of oil from the dishes. Cling film. I seal my food in a clean film to keep it fresh. Cookbook. My cookbook has information about different recipes and cuisines. Grater. You need a grater to grate vegetables like carrots and okra. Gas cooker. Using gas cooker to cook saves time. Watch out for the continuation video on vocabulary associated with kitchen, and thanks for going this far with me. Please subscribe and share.